National Manufacturing Institute Scotland are providing practical support to help underrepresented groups access the manufacturing industry. Careers Employability Training Program is a one-day course aimed at individuals interested in working in the manufacturing sector. This may be recent engineering graduates or engineers who have plied their trades in other sectors. During the training, you will hear individual transition stories and get information about the types of positions available. An excellent opportunity to, network with industry experts and boost your career choices.